Tip to reduce your colds through Ayurvedic Dhumapaana. So I have been suffering from cold since yesterday and I also take it usually. So the process is inhale the fume through your nose and exhale it through your mouth, or else inhale through your mouth and exhale through your mouth itself. Never ever exhale through your nose. It may also cause you eye disorders. So let me show you the process. So you can do alternately anyway, and I can feel the cough which was increased is liquefying and coming through my nose or mouth. Thank you.